Hello everyone, Robert Riemann here from the Empower Network and www.robertriemann.com. Speaking to you from my backyard in the beautiful Northeast, Westchester County to be precise. Taking some time to relax in the afternoon in the backyard. Just picked some cucumbers and string beans from the garden you see behind me. Picked some of those this morning, and hopefully we'll have some more crops every day through the rest of the summer and the fall. What I wanted to talk to you about today is something called your USP, your unique selling proposition. Anyone that's in any kind of business, whether it's a brick and mortar business, an online business, you need something called a USP, so your prospective clients can understand what makes what you're doing different from what everybody else is doing out there. I'm reading a great book about this and marketing in general. It's called The Ultimate Marketing Plans by Dan Kennedy. You can get it from Amazon, Borders, Barnes & Noble, wherever books are sold in a brick and mortar store online. I'm through the first couple of chapters. And one of the main things Dan talks about is this unique selling proposition. An example of that is a gentleman by the name of Tom McDonough. If you've never heard of Tom McDonough is the CEO of Domino's, and his unique selling proposition when he started out in the business was, pizza delivered in 30 minutes or less, or your money back, or very similar words. I might not have the quote quite exactly as he did it, but that unique selling proposition got him to the top in his industry. As a matter of fact, in Dan Kennedy's book, he talks about Tom had a partner, and the partner actually quit the business. They had several failures together in getting it up and started until they came up with this USP that really worked. So I just wanted to talk up to you about that for a minute or two today. USP, in Empower Network, one of the USPs that Dave uses, from homeless man and van man to ultimate internet marketers, that's a great USP. You have to sit back and relax, or sit back and meditate and think what your individual USP will be to promote the Empower Network or any other type of business that you're in. So think about USP, Google it, get some more information on it. I am not a USP marketing guru, and don't claim to be one. I'm learning about it, as everyone in any kind of marketing is going to have to learn about it. Nobody is quote unquote a USP expert and can sit there and give you the USP, i.e. unique selling proposition in a few minutes that is going to make you riches in whatever business you're in. So strongly recommend you get Dan's book, look it up on Google or one of the other websites that's out there, and learn all you can about USP. It'll really assist you in marketing online or in any business that you might be in. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the week. We're going to have some beautiful weather here in the Northeast for the next several days, so enjoy it. Speak to you again soon. Thank you.